Shubor Nakaslem Jong Unong San Hima.
Sir, let honorable LO realize that I'm replying. Please ask him to let me reply. He should not interfere.
Sit down, please.
Please don't interfere. I did not interfere. I did not interfere. Sir, this is incorrect. When I'm replying, the LO should not interfere.
Please sit down. Please sit down.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the reply should be yes or
Sir,
no.
I am replying. Please.
Please sit down.
If the honorable LO wants to reply, I will reply.
Please sit down, please.
U Dr. Mukul Sangma ubade unong yalam kaliang persya ubla job adu hanyo sien kumu MLA ulakdo nakikindon jong kajing penyat dorbar bagi menteri sorkar haba ki Jubab ki Jingkylli hakikanta kali Jingkylli kidai ban Phai sha ulam phang om sha ki Dkhot kani ki Jingkdew u Dr. Mukul Sangma kade namar ulapan kanma wi ki jingja minhin gasngi haba u menteri rangba u Jubab ula Phai sha u ban ong om dei ban tuklar u Dr. Mukul ula penpau ula job MLA hadu hanyo sien ula kentu badai ban buram ye ka yeng dorbar ka balong kum ka yeng ba kentang kani ka Jingkdew u Dr. Mukul kadai namar menhin ka sngi keladon ka jing kadokti hapadeng u Conrad ba president bat kinong yalam kaliang persya hadu bakim sngap sho ye ulam phang na kaliang ulam phang ula ong ban sabishal bnya ye kani ka Jingkdew u Dr. Mukul na kaliang u Conrad sangma ula Pdiang ye kani ka jing ajingmut u Dr. Mukul sangma u bre Dkhot bal khamslam namar ki kendon jong ka ying bishar ki di banong renti ye baro ki Dkhot.
A point of order under Rule 300 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. I would like to bring to the notice of this August House and for your kind consideration the Rule 275 Sub-Rule 6. Now, over the preceding sessions, I've been observing that the tendency of the distinguished members of this August House to some extent have been reflective of complete disregard to this particular provision of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Because yesterday, during the question hour, while the Honorable Chief Minister should have addressed to the chair, he has directly said that don't interfere. So this is a complete deviation from this rule. I would urge to you, Mr. Speaker, sir, that every member should address the chair and not directly to the members, even while replying. Even during question hour, there is a tendency of the honorable members, particularly the members of the cabinet, to look at the questioner and address directly. That is complete deviation from the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, because the whole address should be only to the chair and to nobody else. Therefore, yesterday's that whole proceeding, wherein the Chief Minister has addressed directly to the member, particularly in the instant case to me, should be not part of the proceeding. Therefore, I make this submission, and I would, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, that you shall take cognizance of my these grievances. I am the senior-most member of this August House. I've been elected 7 times. We have always ensured that this House is governed by the provision of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. And that is the reason why we take pride in the reputation of this August House for the dignity, decorum of this August House. So with these few words, I make a submission, and I find that that particular whatever was captured in the proceeding should not be part of the proceeding, therefore.
I will examine the matter.
Mr. Speaker, sir, in fact, as the leader of the House and the suggestions given by the leader of opposition, sir, I agree with what he says, I must say. And if you look at the entire process, rules should apply to every member of the House. So therefore, it's a good practice, and whoever the member may be it Chief Minister, be it LO, or be it any other member, it should be the practice of this House to ensure that we abide by the rules that are prescribed, sir. So it's a very good suggestion. I take it positively. He is a very senior member, and definitely, sir, we will ensure that, at least I will learn from this and move forward in a positive direction. And as I said, it's a good thing that we all should abide by the rules, and whatever rules and decisions made by you and the chair, and as per the rules that are prescribed in the rules, procedures, should be followed, sir. So it's a positive suggestion given by the Honorable LO.
Okay. Thank you.